The horror, the horror.
So,
I don't know how many tourists I'm fucking terrified.
what are your immediate thoughts about how you did? Did it get across the ideas
No,
that
I didn't really
to...
explore the theme. I went back to the same sort of ideas, but then I thought it's quite a singular. How much is there in a parrot? You know, should I pursue it? Should I look at different avenues of parrot, or should I just pursue it as one kind of pure? You know, if it was a stick, would I say I'm going to give you 100 versions of a stick, or would I just think about one stick and really try and get to the essence of that stick? And in this case, through laziness or sheer professionalism, I don't know, I focus on one aspect of parrot and try to play with that.
I think you captured a sort of universal parrot. By focusing on one parrot, it became universal rather than trying to be all things to all men.
That's very much what I was trying to do. Yeah. So I'm glad that did not go unnoticed. Origami, yeah. Well, I think it was addressed. I would have liked a broader canvas, or a broader brush. I don't know. The artist complains. The artist paints a picture, but he never understands the feeling every morning of cold water on red hands. So, what can we say? Perhaps just as a closing word,